to this Gen AI for Business Leader program. My name is Prashant Kannadagudi. I have spent the past 2 decades diving deep into the world of artificial intelligence, starting from machine learning to data science, starting from deep learning to the generative AI. And I'm thrilled to be your guide on this journey today. Let's delve deeper into the concepts of generative AI. We know that AI has taken a significant leap forward. We are no longer limited to machines mimicking just human intelligence. And Gen AI allows us to unlock whole new level of creativity. Imagine that AI which can generate entire new content, new data, and even really creative text formats. But this is the power of a generative AI, and it is fueled by a huge amount of data. Across various industries, Gen AI is revolutionizing how businesses operate and innovate. So we are about to explore some of the exciting Gen AI use cases that can have real impact on your business. Let's start with the definition of the AI part from the Gen AI. So AI stands for artificial intelligence. This is basically referring to the intelligence demonstrated by the machines in contrast to the natural intelligence displayed by humans. It's not about replicating human thought exactly, but rather about enabling machines to learn, reason, solve the problems, and make the decisions based on the data they are trained upon. To illustrate this, think about how a recommendation system works on streaming platforms such as Netflix. When you watch a movie, it suggests very similar shows that you might enjoy based upon your past experiences. What are the different movies you have watched, and what is the type of feedback that you had given to those movies in past? So normally we know that Netflix asks at least 3-4 different types of feedbacks from you, saying that I really like this movie. It's not my type. I hated this movie. Like you see that there are 4 or 5 different options when you give a feedback. So based on this, their AI system has been trained on millions of users all together. Along with your data, we get a recommendation. So the recommendation system analyzes your viewing history, preferences, along with the data from other users, just to identify a pattern. And based on the pattern recognized, it suggests relevant content. All right, so this is just one example how AI is impacting our daily lives. As you can see in this slide, we have 3 different types of AI systems that do exist. And the very first one is artificial narrow intelligence, or it's ANI. It's a goal-oriented AI system, and there will be a specific task given for these models to learn, and whatever they have learned related to that task, models will try to solve those problems. It's example, smart assistants like Siri, Alexa, right? Image facial recognition system, all these fall under the narrow intelligence scenario. Then there is a general intelligence, AGI. This replicates humans. And we have a super in artificial intelligence, it's ASI, which is beyond the human intelligence, such as fully automated cars, robots, right, etc. They fall under this particular scenario. Now let's delve deeper into the specific area of AI. It's called as generative AI. This is a subfield which focuses on empowering machines to create entirely new data, new content, and even creative text formats. Gen AI works by utilizing different machine learning models on massive amount of data sets. These models learn the underlying patterns, relationships within the data that has been used during the training, and this allows them to generate realistic and original outputs. So there will be a control on what is the type of output that you expect, and it can be modified. So there are different controllers available during the generation part, but ideally speaking, it can generate a lot of creative contents, and these contents look pretty much original as well. Also, let's look at an example. Consider a online store, maybe a furniture store. Gen AI can analyze the data on existing products, customer reviews, even the current market trends. Using this information, it can automatically generate unique, informative product description for each of the items of your store. This is not only going to save the time of the businesses and the resources, but also it ensures consistent and high quality product information to the customers. So we have explored what is AI and what is Gen AI is all about. So let's look at some of the existing ways it can supercharge our business. Gen AI offers a wide range of benefits across various departments. Some of the key areas I would like to highlight here. So the first one is a personalized customer experience. Imagine crafting highly personalized product recommendation, marketing campaign, or the content tailored to each customer's unique preferences. Gen AI can analyze vast amount of customer data to make it a reality, leading to increased satisfaction and the sales. Also, Gen AI can be used for content marketing automation process. So normally we struggle to keep up the content creation part. So Gen AI can help. It can generate compelling marketing materials such as social media posts, blog articles, even the video transcripts. And this allows us to focus on the strategy while Gen AI takes care of the content creation, saving a lot of time and resources.